Kenmore Elite 24.1 cubic feet 79043 bottom freezer refrigerator. If you are looking for a functional and well-designed bottom freezer refrigerator, this model by Kenmore Elite would be an ideal choice. The fridge offers ample capacity and provides around 24.1 cubic feet to users for storing and accessing their perishable goods. You will find tons of convenient features in this bottom freezer, which makes it the best option if you're on a budget. The deli door in particular adds a lot of convenience, as it allows you to organize your goods without any hindrances. There is also a built-in ice maker in this device, eliminating the need for storing ice cube trays. Press a button and get as many cubes as you want in your glass. If that wasn't enough, the bright LED lights are an excellent modern addition to this refrigerator. Despite all of these modern features, this model by Kenmore Elite is relatively energy efficient. Its durability is also praiseworthy. The stainless steel build makes sure that the device can withstand years of rough use without any significant impact on its looks or functionality. Pros: spacious freezer shelves, bright LED lights, comes with a built-in ice maker, energy efficient, does not require frequent maintenance. Cons: heavier than most bottom freezers,